Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today I'm revealing an incredible miracle of Hazrat Luqman that will change how you see wisdom. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss these powerful Islamic stories. Allah Almighty decided to grant a special gift to Hazrat Luqman. And this is where the miracle begins. Allah sent an angel to Hazrat Luqman and gave him a choice, something no ordinary human gets. The angel said, "Oh Luqman, Allah wants to bless you. Choose between prophethood or wisdom." Think about this for a moment. Prophethood, the highest honor, to be Allah's messenger, to receive revelation, to be among the greatest souls in history. But what did Hazrat Luqman choose? The miraculous choice. With complete humility, Hazrat Luqman said, "If Allah gives me the choice, I choose wisdom. But if it is a command, then I accept with obedience." He continued, "If Allah makes me a prophet, I will accept because He will give me strength and help me fulfill that duty. But if He gives me the choice, I choose wisdom because prophethood comes with great trials and huge responsibilities." Subhanallah, the divine response. The angels were amazed at his humility. And Allah was so pleased with his answer that He granted him wisdom so deep that his advice is quoted in the Quran. An entire surah chapter is named after him, Surah Luqman. His wisdom spread across the world for thousands of years. Brothers and sisters, this is the miracle. Allah could have forced this gift upon him, but He gave him a choice. And Hazrat Luqman chose with such pure humility and self-awareness that Allah elevated him in a way few humans are elevated. According to scholars, after this choice, Allah opened Hazrat Luqman's heart with such understanding that he could see the reality of things others couldn't see. His words carried divine light and guidance. People's hearts were transformed just by listening to him. Even kings and rulers sought his counsel. The Prophet Muhammad said about him, "Luqman was not a prophet, but he was a slave who loved Allah, so Allah loved him and blessed him with wisdom." In the Quran, Allah preserved Hazrat Luqman's advice to his son. "O my son, do not associate anything with Allah. Indeed, associating others with Him is a great injustice." But then he asked, "Luqman, why did you taste the pieces the first time when I asked for the sweetest? You could have just given me any piece." And Hazrat Luqman replied with pure wisdom, "When you asked for something sweet, I tasted because I wanted to give you the best and make you happy. That was my duty and my joy. But when you asked for something bitter, I tasted because I didn't want to give you something bad without knowing for certain. How could I give you bitterness without checking first?" Subhanallah, this wasn't just wisdom. This was a miracle of character, a miracle of service and devotion that came from Allah's guidance. Brothers and sisters, this teaches us to always give the best to others and to be careful before we give anything that might harm. This is the wisdom Allah blessed him with. The second miracle is even more powerful. One day, Hazrat Luqman and another slave were working together. Their master told them to slaughter a goat and bring him the best two parts. The other slave thought about which physical parts were most valuable, maybe the legs, the ribs, the meat. But what did Hazrat Luqman do? He brought the heart and the tongue of the goat. The master was confused and asked, "Luqman, why these parts?" Luqman replied, "Oh master, these are the best parts, because if the heart and tongue are good, everything is good. And if they are corrupt, everything becomes corrupt." The master was stunned. Then the master wanted to test him further. A few days later, he told both slaves to slaughter another goat and bring him the worst two parts. The other slave thought hard about which parts were least valuable. But again, Hazrat Luqman brought the heart and the tongue. The wisdom revealed. The master asked, "Luqman, you brought these same parts before as the best, and now you bring them as the worst." And Luqman said with divine wisdom, "Yes, master, because there is nothing better than a good heart and a truthful tongue, and there is nothing worse than an evil heart and a lying tongue." Subhanallah, this wasn't just intelligence, this was divine insight. Allah had opened Hazrat Luqman's eyes to see the spiritual reality that others couldn't see. This is mentioned in Islamic traditions, and scholars say this wisdom came directly from Allah as a karamat, a miracle of understanding. Brothers and sisters, what can we learn from these two miracles? 1. Guard your heart, keep it pure, free from jealousy, hatred, and evil thoughts. 2. Guard your tongue, speak truth, speak kindness, and avoid lies and backbiting. 3. Serve with excellence, like Hazrat Luqman. Give your best to others and be careful not to harm anyone. The Prophet Muhammad said, "The best of you are those who are best in character." Hazrat Luqman was a slave in status but a king in wisdom because Allah chose him. If this story touched your heart, please like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more powerful Islamic content. May Allah bless us all with wisdom and good character like Hazrat Luqman.